forget-me-not tutorial. Let's make this flower first. I used a light purple twist stick. Then about a knuckle position, fold like this. Look at my method. Fold 6 of these folds. A small flower is ready. Such little flowers need to be made many times. Do another one. This one is just a little bit longer. Cut off the extra sticks. Now do the green calyx. Look at my method. It's the length of your fingernail. This is a small calyx made. 3 flowers can be glued to it. Do another one. Look at this method. After both calyx are done, next, it's ready to stick. Is to stick the flower to the calyx first. You don't need to hit too much glue here. Just hit it evenly. And it sticks to the very center of this calyx. So this is just a little bit more pinch. Keep squeezing it with both hands until it sticks. The following is the process of repeating the sticky flower. The flowers on it are slightly smaller. The flowers below are a little bigger, more layered. I'm just going to play it quick right now. The process of sticking flowers is the same operation. Here, put this pole on top of it. Just let it stick firmly. In addition, such a string of flowers is also glued to it. Put the head of the floral tape. Then put it in the gap here first. And you squeeze it. Look at my method. This operation also requires everyone. Do it carefully and patiently, because there are flowers all over this pole, so it may not be easy to wrap when wrapping. Spread every petal to it. Bend it a little bit in the shape of a flower. This one needs to be done a lot. You can put 3 flowers on the branch. Then make more to form a bunch, which looks better. That's the end of the tutorial.